There is sad news reaching us that lead actor in Grey's Anatomy, Dane, has sadly passed away after battling with a condition we call ALS. In today's video, I would want to explain to you what you need to know about this particular condition in order for you to get a very broad understanding. ALS, which is also called Amyotrophic Lateral Sclerosis, is a progressive kind of condition that affects the motor neurons. Now, motor neurons are the kind of nerve cells that affects movement. So basically the muscles. When we say it means no. Myo means muscle. Trophic means starvation or lack of nourishment. So amyotrophic means no muscle nourishment. Lateral is explaining the positioning of that kind of condition, lateral side of the spine and the brain. And now when we talk about sclerosis, sclerosis is an autoimmune condition where the body attacks the nerve cells, in fact the myelin sheath of the nerve cells. There are certain areas in the body that ALS attack. These include the arms, the legs, the speech receptors, swallowing receptors, and also your breathing receptors. So these areas of your body are basically affected if you have ALS. Now, what are the signs and symptoms that you notice if you have ALS? The first thing we talk about is weakness in your arms and legs. So sometimes you are unable to walk because of the weakness. So most people with ALS eventually ends up in wheelchairs. Also, sometimes your speech is also affected. You are unable to speak frequently and well. The most fatal one is when it attacks your breathing reflexes or the breathing muscles, which eventually leads to respiratory failure. So the most cause of death of people with ALS is respiratory failure, where the muscles aiding in respiration or breathing is being affected by the ALS, where they are unable to pump well because their movement is affected. Now, is ALS curable? No, there is no cure or treatment if you are diagnosed with ALS. So this means that once you are diagnosed with ALS, it's definitely like a death sentence. Eventually you will die, and it's a progressive kind of something. Now when we talk about this Dane, he was diagnosed with this condition in April 2025 and he has died in February 2026. It's barely a year now and now he's dead. Once you are diagnosed with this kind of condition, there's nothing like an ideal treatment in order for you to be free from this condition, and it progresses very fast. So this is basically what I want you to know about ALS. I send my condolences to the family, and in fact I say rest in peace, Dane. My name is also Kojo Emmanuel, a physician assistant by profession. If you find the video helpful, subscribe to this channel for more videos and like this video.